Yo, it's the Prelude dude. Came out to the car today, fired it up, and she's misfiring. Can you hear it? Going bubble, 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 bubble. So, we're gonna go find the problem. I think I know what the problem is. Do you? So I'd be lying if I said this wasn't a common thing that happens all the time. Honestly, I have an inclination of what it is, and it's probably going to be that. We'll check it out. All we need is a screwdriver, Phillips head, and we can get it done. Alright, so 3 screws, one just off of 12 o'clock there, and then you got one down on this side, another one down over here that you can't really see. You can see the blue. Yeah! So yeah, we just gotta pop those 3 off. Alright, so we popped it off. Maybe you can see in here. See that white buildup? And all those metal prongs? Yeah, that's corrosion. That's causing a misfire. Woohoo! If you think of it like this, I mean, it's causing resistance in the flow of electricity. So think of a river flowing downstream, you put a bunch of rocks in it, it's going to slow the stream down. Same concept. So besides that, here on the rotor, see if it'll focus. Come on, focus. There we go. You can see a little bit on there built up. So that's what it's been hitting against in there. And that's definitely causing misfires. You look in there. Woohoo! Corrosion built up there too. And if you see that thin black line going around? That's the gasket. That's the problem in all of this. If that gasket would do its job like it's supposed to, we wouldn't get all this. No. But we do. So, time to replace it again. Alright, so change of plan. Parts store doesn't have any on hand. So, I'm kind of loyal, I guess. You know, depending on the day. So, I'm just going to try and clean it up. Got the wire brush out. We're going to see what it does. See if we can stop some of the misfire. If not, we'll just replace it. But if this works, then we know it actually works. We'll get by, you know. Maybe you can do it if you're cheap like me. Cleaned them up a little bit. I don't know if you can really tell with this. They're not so white. Cleaned up the button a little bit too. Oh, focus. There you go. Now, let's see if it makes any difference. Woohoo! So, moment of truth. Let's find out. Did anything we do make a difference? Was it all just a waste of time? Woo, belt squeal. Let's see. Let it idle down. Oh, it's still misfiring. Not quite as bad though. Huh. Whoa. Yeah, you hear it. I hear it. Let's not deny it. That just didn't work. Oh well. Maybe in a scenario where it is worse corrosion, like to the point where the vehicle won't start at all, maybe this will help. But for my situation, I'm not going to see a difference until I replace it. So I guess we're waiting.